Hi, welcome back to the EaseUS channel. Today, I'll use Haysune Miku voice to see if I can prank my friends and hopefully make you laugh. I'll do this using revolutionary EaseUS VoiceWave, instant real-time voice changer. This voice changer app for PC can transform your voice into the pitch-perfect tones of Hatsune Miku in real time. Miku fans, let's talk about the one and only Hatsune Miku, our favorite blue-haired digital diva. Her voice isn't just popular, it's iconic. Why? Because Hatsune Miku's voice is like a musical chameleon. It fits any genre, any mood, and always sounds futuristic and cool. It's that perfect blend of sweetness and digital magic that has us all hooked, making her the star of countless songs and performances around the world.
EaseUS VoiceWave is like a vocal playground. Whether you're singing, streaming, or pranking your friends, this voice changer lets you sound like me and so much more. Watch this. With just one click, my voice gets even cuter, even more magical. Imagine serenading your friends with this voice during karaoke night. Have a conversation with just me and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Down tonight, stop at the man on the jukebox and then we start dancing. I'm singing like you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me.
Okay, before you start belting out, "World is mine," let's make sure your mic and speakers are all set up in EaseUS VoiceWave. It's super simple. 1. Fire up the EaseUS VoiceWave app. Don't worry, it won't bite. Head over to the settings menu like a pro. Pick your microphone as the input device. This is what Miku will use to hear your lovely voice. Set your speakers or headphones as the output device, because you definitely want to hear the magic too. Give it a quick test and voila, you're ready to start your Miku journey. This is the real fun part. Whether you're in a Discord chat or a gaming session, you can wow everyone with your Miku voice in real time. EaseUS VoiceWave gives you crystal clear audio with no delay. That's what makes it the best voice changer out there. Perfect for creating, performing, or just having fun.
You don't need to be a vocal pro to use this. Just install, select, and you're ready to transform into your favorite character. I challenge you to sing like me.
Share your best Miku impressions with the EaseUS VoiceWave and show me what you've got. What are you waiting for? If you want to sound like SpongeBob or any of your favorite characters, download EaseUS VoiceWave, because every voice deserves to shine. Bye-bye. VoiceWave now.